لا معلومة مش معقولة تتعود خلطان بالعداء كده اللي
Chechen dictator Ramzan Kadyrov is reported to have had his deputy prime minister and former minister of health, Elkim Suleimanov, buried alive on suspicion of poisoning him. Suleimanov has neither been seen nor heard from since October 2022. The VCHK OGPU Telegram channel reports that several sources say that Kadyrov's entourage became suspicious of Suleimanov after Kadyrov's health deteriorated sharply. The channel says that Kadyrov's cronies began to assure him that he was the victim of poisoning. Kadyrov himself held the same view, and he vented his anger on Suleimanov. According to the source, Suleimanov personally administered certain injections to Kadyrov, and the latter decided that the deterioration of his health was connected with them. The Chechen government unexpectedly published a decree on the 25th of October 2022, stating that it would release Elkan Abdullayevich Suleimanov from his position as deputy chairman of the government of the Chechen Republic on his own initiative from the 21st of October 2022. Since then, says VCHK OGPU, nobody has seen or heard from Suleimanov. His frequently updated Instagram channel fell silent in October 2022. The webpage of his main personal initiative, the Republican Oncology Dispensary, now leads to a page selling cocaine in Dubai. Sources say that Suleimanov was killed, most likely on Kadyrov's orders. Absolutely everyone says that he is not alive and died a painful death. There is talk that he was brutally murdered, buried alive in the ground. Suleimanov is, or was, not a Chechen, but a Baku-born Legzin, a member of a North Caucasus minority group residing in Dagestan in Russia and Azerbaijan. He worked as a professor specializing in surgery and oncology, having previously worked in Germany. Suleimanov became one of Kadyrov's personal physicians in 2014. He held the positions of chief physician of the oncology clinic of the Chechen Republic and Chechnya's Minister of Health, and in recent years worked as deputy chairman of the Chechen government. And from the other news, this is a destruction of Russian control point for drones, Zala and Lancet, in the left bank Kherson region. This drones cause significant troubles for the Ukrainian armed forces, so their destruction is very important. Now, the work of a pair of Ukrainian tanks, probably T-64, from the 116 separate mechanized brigade on Russian positions in the Novo-Prokopivka area. The Korn Group, part of the brigade, showed the video how Ukrainian tankers work while being targeted by anti-tank missiles and Lancet kamikaze drones. Ukraine's Defense Intelligence Agency announced an award of $2 million and residence in a NATO country of choice for the entire family to any Russian pilot who defects to Ukraine in a MiG-31 armed with Kinzhal missile. Last month, a Mi-8 helicopter pilot defected to Ukraine, and the pilot received an award of $500,000. Let's keep them rolling. It takes two to tango. Blinken about Russia's negotiations with Ukraine to end the war.
Negotiations, John. It takes two to tango. Sure. And thus far, we see no indication that Vladimir Putin has any interest in meaningful diplomacy. If he does, I think the Ukrainians will be the first to engage, and we'll be right behind them. Everyone wants this war to end, but it has to end on just terms and on durable terms that reflect Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity.
And for the end, some military porn from North Korea. Kim Jong Army leveled up. The latest weapons are very advanced.
머리 위에 불벼락을 씌울 복수의 포실을 높이 들고 나갑니다. 이 땅을 넘보는 원수들을 두고서는 전야의 포전길만 달릴 수 없기에 보습 대신 강력한 힘을 재운 무장 장비들을 이끌고 결연히 이 광장에 나섰습니다.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.